Herald Tribune. How does the problem of communism in the United States compare with the problem of communism in other countries, and is there more than one solution? First of all, from the United Kingdom is Peter Hudson. Next to him, this tall boy from Norway, is Gunnar Asland. He's been staying at Bentley High School, as you can see from that enormous button that he seems to be wearing on his lapel. This is Vangalya Ram from India. He's just spent his final day in Pearl River. Pearl River High School gave him such a beautiful present, a traveling clock, that he's especially pleased and proud with that. Finally, here's Johnny Antelone from the Philippines. Well, how about it, boys? How does America's communist problem compare with the communist problem in your countries?
The problem of communism in the United States is a psychological problem. The problem of communism in India is essentially born of frustration, a direct consequence of British imperialism.
I'll take you up on that in a minute. Well, in Britain, the problem is more or less the same as in America. Only in Britain, the difference is we don't call it a problem.